So we have this function called p, and it's p of x. We're working in the variables of x. And we have these two questions. We want to find when my p of x is 3, and we want to find when p, where my x is a. So we're going to plug these in, but there's something I noticed about the equation, that there's a lot going on, and sometimes it's easier if we clean that up and then start plugging in. So that's what I want to do. I notice I have 9x to the first, and then I have an x to the first here. So these two can be put together. And while I'm doing this, I notice I have a negative 3x cubed and a positive 3x cubed. Well, that's like saying I have $1 and I spent $1. I don't have any more dollars. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that one out. So now let's rewrite this. We have 9x minus 1x, meaning I had $9, I spent $1. So now I have 8x, and then that leaves me with just 3x squared. So this is going to be my new p of x function. It's the same function as this here, this equation, but it's just a little bit nicer and neater, so my equation is more durable. So I'm going to take this one here, and everywhere as I see x, I'm going to put in this 3. So I have 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 times 3 squared. Well, 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So now I have 24 plus 27, that's 51. And I apologize, I need to write it a little neater. So I'm going to erase this bottom one just to give myself more room. So I have p of 3, which is equal to 51. My order pair here is 3, 51, if you were asked to write it in an order pair. Because remember, order pair is x, y. Y always depends on x. So let's find the next one. The next one said let's find when x is a. So I'm going to take this 8, and in the place of 8 times x, I'm going to put a for x, everywhere I see x. So 8 times a is just 8a, because we do not know the value of a. And then we have 3 times a squared, which is just a plus 3a squared. And that would be my answer for this one, because, like I said, we don't know the value of a. So my order pair, my answer is p of a is equal to 8a plus 3a squared. The order pair would be a, comma, 8a plus 3a squared. It is not written in descending order, but that's okay in this case. But as long as you know, if you were asked what is the leading coefficient, you could say it's 3 and then the leading degree is 2. And that is functions, plug it into functions.